All right, let's go to our next page. So we've got a series of charts here that are all linear, and we've got to figure out what's going on. So let's take a look at the questions. So question 1. At the beginning of the month, I had $4. I kept spending money every day until I wound up in debt. So it looks like I'm losing money, and my initial money amount was $4. So let's see if I can find a chart that looks like I have a y-intercept of 4 that gets smaller and smaller. So when I look at this, the only chart that might work is if I look at chart B. I'm spending money. Ooh, and it looks like I'm actually going into debt. So it looks like for this one, chart B would be a great answer. Now, I want to make my computer screen brighter because the level's too dim. I push a button. Sorry. And notice that the brightness doesn't change at all. I've been pushing the wrong button. What chart would that be? So I need a graph of brightness. I need a chart of brightness versus time that doesn't change at all. And I want the brightness to show that it's dim. So these two, G and H, for example, could work because look, as time passes, the level doesn't change. I would tend to go with chart H because it's sort of negative, which implies that it's dark. I would also accept G or H. So what I would say is H is really what I'd want, but if you put G, that would be okay too. And then number 7, I start digging at ground level and start digging into the ground. The hole I get gets deeper and deeper below ground level. So what chart would that be? So I need to start with 0 depth. And then I need to get more and more into the hole as I dig. So I need to start at 0. So that rules out A, B, C, D, G, and H. And then the thing is, I need my hole to get deeper and deeper and more negative. So I'm really going to go with chart F on that one. And then finally, I am trying to fatten up my pet kitty for the cat show. And he's got some weight at the beginning of the month, obviously, and then I try to feed him more and more so that he becomes nice and fat. Meow. Oh, good kitty. And we'll go to the chart that would reflect linear growth. So we need a cat that, let's see, we'll start this cat off at about, oh, look at that. If I choose chart A, I have a cat that starts at about 10 pounds and eats food and steadily gets more and more heavy. So I would actually, whoops, wrong page. I would choose chart A for that one. So I hope that helps you answer the questions. And for those of you who were actually working on this, I have a little video link here to celebrate wonderful kitty cat craziness. So it's a bonus. Anyway, I hope this was helpful. And these videos are available. And I'm going to be putting the solution key in Schoology and on Google Docs as well.